Hi folks, my name is Natalia and I am a PhD candidate in Media Studies at the University of Amsterdam and a research lead for Esoteric AI. Esoteric AI is one of the three themes that make up Slow AI. With Slow AI, we aim to bring about new and alternative ways of thinking, imagining, and doing AI. In one sentence, Esoteric AI is an invitation to trouble the dominant imaginary of AI. Esoteric AI centers around the tension between magic and technology. Though through centuries, magic and technology were actually interchangeable rather than binary, with AI today, ascribing magical qualities to these systems is usually a way of obscuring both the technological workings of AI as well as the human and non-human labor that sustains them. AI has also been dominated by a male gaze, which projects a very feminized notion of both magic and technology. Esoteric AI is thus a project of reclaiming the feminine and the enchanted in the context of AI by revisiting illegitimate ways of knowing. So we invite all of you to ponder together with us on questions such as: how are algorithmic systems that predict future behaviors different from reading into tarot spreads? How is the algorithmic charting of the vector space of proximities different from reading the star alignments in the sky in the zodiac predictions? We believe that Esoteric AI offers a new, subversive and critical mode of engaging with algorithmic outputs and understanding those outputs.